To be able to see someone, to put a lens to those whose stories may not be at the forefront of history is really important. The work that I do is often reframing stories from the past. Being mixed heritage, being mixed gender, I've now been able to build a body of work that is cross-disciplinary. Media comes in many forms. It's a nod to my heritage, to my existence, that I do mixed media. This image of my great-grandmother Mary, part of its exhibition in the fall is I scale the image up, and then I've used gold leaf to finish the detailing, and I've called it my Black Athena. Our job here is to learn about who we are, and TMU really allowed me to draw upon courses in like pre-colonial African history, Caribbean studies, and having this wealth of knowledge available, it deepened my practice and my work. I'm here at the Canadian Opera Company doing a new work about Portia White, who was the first African Nova Scotian to make international acclaim, but her story's been relegated to obscurity. So to be able to use this big multidisciplinary medium that opera is, we get to reframe her history. To have that many artists of color together in a space where she could not perform in her life because of how she looked is huge. And so this is my opportunity to uplift an ancestor. We stand on her shoulders.